Hey y'all, we working on some rolling on the floor this month. Come do with me. We're starting with our easy does it bridge. Lay on your back, take a big deep breath. On your next big exhale, push down big toe, pinky toe, heel, curl your tail up. I'm going to do 5 of these really tiny little bridges. Easy does it. Bridging up, breathing, bridging down. You can go bigger. I'm going to show the smallest version of all of these today. There's lots of ways to bridge. I've got 2 to go. Bridging up, heavy chest, relaxed neck. Easy, easy pelvic curl up. Last one. Okay, so here's where our rolling's coming in. You can do baby bear, where you hug your legs and flop. I'm gonna lose my mic, and that's okay. Floppy baby bear. You might flop all the way over onto one side and all the way over to your other side. You can roll from head to tail. You can kick your legs and roll this direction. So just find a way to roll that feels good on your back today. You could roll onto one hand, one knee. This is getting us ready to go from being on our backs to come out to standing. So I'm rolling. Only do the stuff today that feels really good on your body. If you look at this and go, oh, my ankle's not going to like that, or my knee, skip it. We're making our way up to our low lunge. I'm just showing this down here today, so I am to change my camera, but you could come up and stand and do your crescent lunge if you like. There's your low lunge. Leg number 1. We're going to add a little halo. So we're doing 2 moves at once. Grab a block or a small weight. Circle your block or your weight around your head like you're shampooing your hair. I'm going to do 5 and then switch sides. Shampooing my hair with my block. I'm in a low lunge. And this was number 5. I'm going to switch and do side number 2. Switch directions. 5 halo and lunge combo. So we did our bridge, we did our rolling. Now we're lunging, holding this low lunge, and haloing, shoulder mobility. Was that 5? I think so. Our last strength is a chest fly on the floor. You can grab your medium weights, whatever medium heavy is for you today. Heavy chest, heavy shoulders, heavy pelvis. Hug your beach ball. You've got a little bend in your elbows. Your beach ball gets bigger and smaller. Chest fly. I'm going open and close. We're just doing 5. 3. Chest fly. 4. 5. So this is a quick, fast demo of how you could get some shoulder mobility, hip mobility, chest, upper body strength in just less than 5 minutes, real quick. If you want to do these with us, come to the Wednesday Pilates, 6 p.m. on Zoom, or give me a call and I'll talk you through these. See you soon.